The next example is using a simple I/O test. So in this case, wait. Okay, so in this given case, so these are the inputs. So meaning you have a keyboard. Say for example, a keyboard. So this keyboard will serve as your input device. So whatever that is inputted to the keyboard will be outputted here in this given port. So say for example, ito yung output port nyo. Okay. Now, so the output is it converts decimal to given hexadecimal value. Okay, so meaning you have a keyboard. Okay, so from the keyboard, it will be sent to a output port at 110. So here's the code, simple code for basics input output. So initially, okay, so initial content of your port 110 is 0A7H. Okay, and the initial content of your port 112 is 1234 hexadecimal. So here it resets the value of your accumulator to 0, and then we have here the input. Okay, so meaning whatever that we inputted, okay, from the keyboard will be outputted. Will be whatever that is read from port 110 will be outputted into the accumulator, okay, lower accumulator, and also whatever that is read from what do you call this, port 112, it will be outputted to the accumulator. Okay, so base a simple input output operation. So here, so our port will serve both as an input output. Okay.